Hi, welcome to DGP Star Vision, Learning Shorthand with Savitri. In the previous class, I explained you how to write initial hooks to straight strokes and curves. Initial hook of R and L to straight strokes and curves. And I also explained the grammar of that chapter. So now I wrote a paragraph here. This paragraph contains the initial hook of R and L both to straight strokes and curves. So now we will transcribe this paragraph into shorthand. Please, after every chapter you have to practice writing paragraphs. It will be easy and you will come to know how to use these hooks in the paragraphs. It is available in the exercise number 41-42 of Pitman English Shorthand Book. You can refer it. Now we shall see how to transcribe it. See here, dear sir. I'll write dear is a grammar of circle S R. Okay, dear sir. Then comma as it is we have to write. After that we have to start a next paragraph. For writing paragraph, we have to write like this. This mark indicates that the new paragraph we will be starting a new paragraph. Okay. Thank you for yours. Thank grammar, you grammar. Thank you for yours of the first of April. Here April per L and for mailing ML ink. A oval mailing me your price lists I diphthong and samples of blue and black inks and glue in the several sizes of the bottles. Full stop. You have to write like this. I think the labels are better and brighter now. Full stop. I shall give the samples a fair F or on the line fair trial during the next few weeks. See, the whole paragraph I transcribed into shorthand. This is dear sir. Dear is a grammar. Then circle is R. After the next paragraph, for indicating next paragraph, you have to write this mark. Thank you. Thank is a grammar. You is a grammar. For grammar, your grammar. Yes, circle of the grammar of the first grammar of April. Since April month, this is a noun. The two lines beneath the stroke I wrote. And for mailing me ML ink, A oval on the line M, me grammar, your grammar, price list. Here you see price per circle S, then L, then ST loop Again circle S. Price lists. Okay, here E vowel. And samples. Circle S, M, pul S. Circle S. Of blue, bull, O vowel, third vowel, O vowel here, and black, A vowel, bull, K, black, inks, N, K, circle S, E vowel, inks, and glue, gull, O vowel, in the several grammar sizes here. S is a stroke, then Z circle, large circle, I diphthong of the bottle, B, tell, circle S, bottles, full stop. I think grammar of the, I attach to the grammar of think. I think the labels L, bull, circle S, A vowel, or better, B, ter, A, second place vowel, A vowel, and brighter, bur, ter. I diphthong now, N, O vowel, I attach to it, joint diphthong, this is, full stop. I shall give, grammar of the, samples S, M, pul, S, a fair, F, or A vowel, fair, trial. Here for a diphthong I attached a triphone, trial, I plus A vowel, ter, L, during grammar of, during the, next again grammar of, few, F, U diphthong, weeks, this is abbreviated W, K, circle S. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. I transcribed it into 3 lines. So we can consume the time if we transcribe the paragraph of English longhand into shorthand. Now we will move on to the next chapter, that is alternative forms of for and were. Now we shall see the next chapter, alternative forms of for, were, full, and were. In the previous class, I explained you the initial hooks of or and L. Here, the alternative forms of for and were, full, and will be how we have to use these forms, alternative forms, we'll see in this chapter. For in the previous class, I taught you to write with the right motion, like this. This is F with the initial hook of or. This is for. And this is full. Here this for has two forms. All the straight strokes have two forms, two alternative forms of writing all these strokes with the hook of R. That I'll show you now. For with the left motion, for with the right motion. Were with the left motion, were with the right motion. Ter with the left motion, ter with the right motion. There with the right motion, there with the there with the left motion and there with the right motion. Full with left and full with right. Well with left and well with right. So there are two forms of writing for. In the same way, were also has two forms. It or has also two forms. Be or is also has two forms. FL. Full is also has two forms, and will is also having two forms. Okay. The first form of each pair is called left curve. This is the first form. Okay. Left curve. See, left curve of for, were, ter, full, wal. Then the second form of each pair is called right curve. This is the second, for, were, thir, thir, wal, fal, wal. Okay. Now we will see when to use the left motion curve and when to use the right motion curve. When standing alone, left curves of for, were, thir are used if a vowel precedes. Example, offer. This is left motion curve, a vowel. Since for is preceded by a vowel, I wrote the first form. Okay, offer. Average, were, g, average. Since were is also preceded by a vowel, hence I wrote first form of were, either. There is also preceded by a vowel, hence I wrote first form of there. In all other cases, you have to write the second form of for, were, thir. When for, were, thir are followed by a vowel, use right curves. Examples, 3. Okay, e vowel, thir, through the line. If it is preceded by a vowel, you have to write either like this. The first form has to be used since it is preceded by a vowel. But here it is followed by a vowel, hence I used a second form of the. Then fray. For a vowel, frame, young, frame. Then verbal, were, be, l. Hope it is clear now. I'll repeat the explanation. There are two forms of writing for, were, thir, thir, fal, wal. One is with the left motion and one is with the right motion. The first form of each pair is called left curve and the second form of each pair is called right curve. While standing alone, left curves of for, were, thir are used if a vowel precedes. Example, offer, average, either. When for, were, thir are followed by a vowel, use right curves. 3, frame, frame, verbal. With this, I conclude today's class. In the next class, we shall see when to use the alternative forms of fal and wal. Keep practicing. Happy learning. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos. If you have any doubts, please WhatsApp me to my number 7892247571. Take care. Bye-bye.